Hey everyone, it's me Smeen here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share with you this beautiful engagement eye makeup tutorial with two looks with some makeup tips and tricks. First with the black gel eyeliner and second with the white gel eyeliner. For this look I will use Kashi Silk and Sleek eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. First I am using this beautiful peach shade to enhance my crease line. Take your time and blend it really nicely. Take more color if you need more. Now I am applying this shade with my wet finger because it will gives you more shine and pigment. Applying this shade on my eyelid area. Now I am applying this highlighter to enhance the eye inner corner and brow bone. Now I am taking this brown shade on my angle brush and applying on my lower lash line. This will give you a really nice contrast with the pink. It's time to apply glitter. I am taking this transparent glitter. Now I am applying mascara. I am using this TikTok viral hack and the result is great as you can see. Applying mascara on my lower lash line as well. I applied the natural false lashes and now I am applying a liner to get more natural look. The first look is here. I am applying this Kashi's white gel eyeliner. With this you can get big eyes. So first look is done. Now I am applying this black gel eyeliner. I made this at home. You can check this video after watching current video. This will give you a traditional eye makeup look. I love this look personally more. Applying some transparent glitter on my inner eye with an angle brush. If you are willing to do this look, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram link in my description box. Hope you learned something new. Please like and share my video. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you. My head's always stuck in time.